Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today I want to dive into a deep topic that has fascinating me for years, the meaning and importance of sociology. Now, I know it might sound like a snooze fest to some, but trust me, stick around because this is going to be mind-blowing. So, what is sociology? Well, it's the scientific study of society, human behavior, and the way we interact with one another. You might be thinking, why do I need to know about this? Well, let me tell you, sociology is everywhere and it affects all aspects of our lives. Imagine being in a crowded city like this. People from different backgrounds, cultures, and social classes all sharing the same space. Sociology helps us understand the dynamic at play in these settings. It allows us to analyze how people form groups, how social norms are established, and how societies evolve over time. Sociology is also crucial in understanding the dynamics within institutions like schools, colleges, and universities. Ever wondered why some students excel academically while others struggle? Sociology helps us dissect the factors that influence educational outcomes such as social class, race, and gender. But sociology isn't just about large groups and institutions. It's about individuals too. It helps us examine everyday interactions and understand how our personal identities are shaped by society norms and expectations. Have you ever questioned why certain behaviors are considered acceptable in one culture but not in another? Sociology gives us the tools to unravel these mysteries. To gain some expert insights, I caught up with Dr. Smith, a renowned sociologist and professor. Let's hear what she has to say about the significance of sociology. Dr. Smith, sociology provides us with a unique lens to examine the world around us. It allows us to challenge assumptions, question social inequalities, and promote social change. But understanding the complexities of society, we can work towards creating a more equitable and inclusive world for everyone. Isn't that amazing? Sociology gives us the power to challenge the status and make a positive impact on society. It encourages us to question our own biases and prejudices, leading to more empathy and understanding. Rather than studying poverty, crime, gender, inequality, or racial discriminations, sociology sheds light on these pressing issues. It empowers us to become advocates for change armed with knowledge and a deeper understanding of the structures that contribute to these problems. Now you might be wondering how you get involved in sociology. Well, it starts with education. Many colleges and universities offer sociology courses and programs where you can dig deeper into these fascinating topics. You can also join social justice organizations, volunteer your time, or even choose a career path in sociology like working in human services or social policy. The possibilities within sociology are endless. You can conduct research, write thought-provoking papers, or embark on deep conversations with friends, family, and colleagues. It's about developing a sociological imagination, a way of viewing the world through a critical and compassionate lens. So wrapping up this video, I hope you have gained a newfound appreciation for sociology. It's not just some abstract concept, but a discipline that helps us understand ourselves and the world we live in. Together, let's embrace sociology, challenge societal norms, and strive for more just and equitable society. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep making